Well, a war is brewing in the FMCG space, and two brands are going to go head to head in court. This time it is Mondelez International, which has moved Delhi High Court against Parle Products. Now, this is a trademark infringement allegation and case where Mondelez International has said that the Fabio cookies, the Fabio biscuits by Parle Products, are very similar in looks as well as packaging to the Oreo cookies that are made by Mondelez International, Mondelez India, for the Indian market. Now, the entire allegation we understand also from a few reports that have come out that they're saying that the cookies, the packaging, the designing on the cookies are deceptively similar to Oreo cookies, which is quite an important product for Mondelez in India. When you take it into consideration the reach of the product, the likability of the product, and how famous the product is. So of course they're saying that the looks are quite deceptively similar when it comes to packaging and designing, and that is the entire allegation on which the court case has been filed in Delhi High Court. Now, what we understand additionally is that the case has been filed by Intercontinental Grade Brands, which is a unit of Mondelez International, and also the hearing is going to happen on 12th of April. In fact, Mondelez International had asked for an earlier date for hearing, is what we understand from documents that we have seen. But the Delhi High Court has set the date for hearing on 12th of April. So that is when we'll know whether there are any steps that will be taken against Parle, or what the court says in terms of the settlement for the entire copyright and trademark infringement case that Mondelez International is looking at against Parle Products. Now, remember, in the biscuit space specifically, there have been multiple trademark infringement cases. In fact, just last year, Britannia has sued Future Group, saying that a lot of Future Group's biscuits are looking like their Tasty Treat products, and the similarity is deceptive. Similarly, in fact, they had also dragged ITC to court, and this was specifically for the digestive biscuits category, where Britannia had said that the Sunfeast Veda Digestive, Sunfeast 5-seed digestive biscuits by ITC are very similar in looks to Britannia's NutriChoice High Fiber and NutriChoice Digestive Biscuits packaging. So usually it's also mainly about the packaging of the biscuits, but this time the look of the cookies, the look of the biscuits is also something that Mondelez is saying is very similar. And if you take a look at it also, you understand what are the similarities that they're talking about. But is it something that needs to be, a step needs to be taken or not, we'll have to see what happens in the court for that. And also, we asked for a comment, reached out for a comment to Mondelez India, but they've said that since the matter is sub judice, they're not really going to comment on the matter right now. Just to take a look at how big Oreo cookies are in India and even globally, we understand that approximately 34 billion Oreo cookies are sold each year. So 92 million cookies are sold per day. And Oreo for India has become like the fourth largest market for Oreo cookies in a very short span since the time the biscuit was introduced in the country. So of course it is a big market, it is a big product for Mondelez. We'll have to wait and watch as to what happens in the court.